The monitor is installed using a quick release structure. Just need to insert the bracket into the base, hiding the screws, then embed it in the back of the display. The installation is completed. The front side features the conventional 3 narrow bezels. There is an MSI logo at the bottom, and the AST 5-way joystick for controlling the menu, integrated below. Interface parts: 2 HDMI 2.1 NDP 1.4 A 98瓦 Type-C 2 USB interfaces. Let's see the effect of the test. Let's see the effect of the test.